Jennifer from the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library. Today, I'd like to show you how you can make some very pretty mermaid sugar scrubs. Now, I know we've done sugar scrubs here before, and the basics are still the same. You're going to be using some sugar, in this case granulated, an oil, in this case a liquid form of coconut oil, and instead of seasonings, what I'm going to do this time is food coloring. So I've got blue, red, and also green. Now, I've started this video before and the computer shut down on me, so I've already made the colored sugar, but I'll just show you what I've got here. So I started with the blue, and I started with about half a cup of sugar, worked 1 drop of food coloring in. So it got to be this shade of blue. It's really nice and light and pastel. Then I added about a half a teaspoon, maybe closer to a full teaspoon of the coconut oil and stirred it in. And you can see it's got the moisture to it, but it's not clumping, so it's not super saturated with the oil. It's just about right. It feels kind of like wet sand, which is perfect because of the whole mermaid theme. Then what I did was I took about half of that blue and put it into another bowl and added a drop of red to turn it purple. Now, the color isn't showing as well as I would like. It looks a little more gray, but in person, trust me, it is a little more purple. And then what you could also do is take part of that blue into another bowl and add a drop of green, and you get something more like an aqua color. So I've got my 3 colors here, and what I'm going to do now is to put some into a little dish, and I'm just going to put a little bit there, and a little bit there, and a little bit of the green there. And then I'll take a toothpick and kind of swirl it around. Now, if you did this all in one bowl, you're going to end up with a jumble of colors all together. But if you can do the clumps into one dish, then you're going to get much more of a confetti sort of look to it. So that's all there is. It's very simple. You can do this at home, or you can join us in June for a program where we're making the Mermaid sugar scrubs so you can take some home. You can sign up through the library's calendar of events on our webpage, or call us at the reference department and we will be able to help you sign up for that. In the meantime, I hope you'll stay healthy, be kind, and get creative. Bye-bye.